What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, Shogun's Moto Vlog. Today we got this 2008 GSXR600. Yeah, we just got this, my man. So we're gonna go ahead and go get some lunch. It's a nice day. It's a nice, beautiful day today. So one more day before the rain actually comes. Yes. So a little bit about the bike. It is a 2008 GSXR600. From the last video, I already said that we're gonna end up getting one here pretty soon, and this is it. A little bit of history with this bike. My friend actually got this from a few miles away, about a 2-hour drive. We picked it up, but he's not really into it, so, and you know, he just got rid of it, so I just swooped it up from him. He's a good buddy of mine. My girl is the one that actually rode this bike, and there was a little spill on it, but it's all good. Everything turned out okay. It wasn't too major. It's a good learner bike. As for the mods, it's relatively stock. It's got a M4 slip-on exhaust. Let's see what else. It's got these brake levers that seems a little loose. Suspension's a little loose. It's definitely different from my CBR. The CBR feels a little bit bulkier, but a little bit tighter. Alright, go lady. Alright, I guess not, but these cars, they freak me out anytime there's an exit. Been watching too many Dan the Fireman videos. Again, shout out to that guy. So you gotta make sure you guys go check him out. So other than that, it's a nice, beautiful day again here in Northern California. I hope everyone's doing well. You know, this whole craziness has been going on, but the world's 50-50 right now, you know what I mean? Some of them believe it, some of them doesn't, but hey, respect is due to both sides. You just gotta respect the people that do believe it, and again, they gotta respect the people that don't believe it as much. As long as everyone is safe, it's all good. Just be safe. So this Mustang right here, that's actually my favorite year. I'm not sure if that's a 5.0 or whatever, but that body style is pretty much my favorite type of Mustang. I'm not really a big Mustang guy, but that one's got me pretty good. Bright red, you know, cops love red. Yeah, besides this bike, let me know what you guys have in the comments. What car you have, or what car you want, what car you already had, your favorite, or the ones that you don't. Yeah, so with this bike, the weight definitely takes a toll, man. Especially on these corners, you kind of feel it. He just wants to lean. He wants to dip without you. He'll dip without you. So you gotta definitely take care of that. We're coming up to this park right here to our right. It's a ginormous soccer field, man. They have games here all the time. They got this little playground for kids, but as you can see, no one's really here. It's really unfortunate, man, how this pandemic really affected everybody.
Go park! Park! What are you doing? What are you doing? I said go to the park over there. Huh? I said, what? Go park. Just park the car.
Alright, so enough of that and more of this. Like I said, it's a 2008 GSXR600R. It's not bad, man. It's a really nice color. It's a little faded, but we're gonna go ahead and change things up a little bit. There's that M4 slip-on exhaust. My boy hooked it up with the sliders. We're gonna need it, but it's a good day. Check this out. It's a good day. Alright, I had to find some shade, man, because it's getting pretty hot out here. It's a little warm. It's maybe in the 90s. This jacket's really helping me out. But it's time to go. We're gonna go get some lunch. It's a few miles away, but I am running out of gas, so I feel like I really need to go get some gas as well. I'm kind of spoiled with the fuel gauge on the CBR, and this doesn't have it. It just has a fuel indicator when it's low, and it was kind of blinking. So definitely need some gas here pretty soon. If you guys are ever in the city of Stockton, California, right here at French Camp, there's this little spot right here called Oasis. I ain't trying to advertise for them. They don't know me. I don't know them. But they do know that I come here a lot for the burritos, especially for their chicken wings. They got this mild sauce, man. You guys got to come check it out. So if you're ever in the area or if you already know of it, back me up. You guys know what it is. But I think there's a lady over there that's like stranded. I'm gonna go check it out. Now this is what I like to see. If you guys know, we are living in a world where everyone's afraid of each other, hell, hating on each other. You know, but if you see something like this, where people just put that aside and just helping each other out, it's all good, man. You just take it. But help this lady out. I think she ran out of gas as well. But let's get some lunch and then we'll make our way back home. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hi, friends. Ah, next time, next time. Alright, guys, we're back at the park. We just had some good lunch, some chicken wings and some burritos. Like I said, check that place out. But I've been messing with this mode on this Gixxer. It's got an A, B, and C. I checked it out last night on YouTube, and I guess if people don't know, man, this thing is a perfect starter bike. My girl's gonna be the one using this thing, so like it's got an A, B, and C. A being all the power, B a little bit less, and C is definitely limited, man. I checked it out, and I'm full throttling it on C, and it's not really giving me anything. Maybe it's pushing like, I think it was like 60 or 70 horses. But for B, if you put it on B, it's about 100 plus horses, pretty much all of it. But the damn throttle is definitely limited. And then A is you get the whole bike, pretty much. You get everything. But that's definitely useful for beginner riders. Definitely. It'll help out a lot. Especially for the ones that's still trying to have a little bit of throttle control issues. But definitely a good bike. I didn't know that. I like that a lot. So for the ones that want to start riding, this is definitely a better bike than the CBR to start on. It has that mode. That mode is very useful. If you don't want to get a 250 or a 300, if you put this bike on C, it's definitely manageable for someone starting out. So keep that in mind if you guys are looking for a bike, or if there's any other bikes out there with, you know, at A, B, and C, put it out in the comments to help people out. A lot of people are just want to get a 600 just because they want to stay away from 3 or 250s. But help them out with that, man. Let them know what's out there. So I was on C mode for a while, and I guess I better put it on B. And B is definitely pulling way harder than C. It's a humongous difference from C to B. But it's still manageable. The throttle control is definitely manageable on B. And now I'm back on A. You get all of it. You get all the whole bike. Everything's got to give. You have full control of it. Way more sensitive. Alright, that was a fun ride. Definitely a fun ride. Those modes though, those modes are definitely useful, and I wish I had those when I first started. But hey, thank you for checking me out on this second video of mine. We're gonna definitely have more content here coming up soon with the rest of the guys. You'll meet them all. And as soon as the car season comes back, we're gonna be doing a lot of car things, car shows, races. Race Wars is coming up. I want to shout out to my friend Wayne from Race Wars. Definitely support the brother, man. So just keep in mind that we're gonna be making more videos here pretty soon, and more after the pandemic stops. Again, thanks for all the people who supported me on this. I just kind of jumped into it, but we'll get better content out there. And until the next video, man, we'll do some reviews on both of these bikes right here, definitely. So just take care and be safe out there, and I hope to see you in the next video, guys. All right, man. See you guys later.